Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are diving into something that's, let's be honest, a huge headache for any student. Finding sources for a big research paper that are actually credible and balanced. We're going to unlock a tool that will totally change how you tackle these assignments.
Okay, let's set the scene. You've been there, right? You get a major paper assigned on a really complex, maybe even a controversial topic. You know you need solid, balanced info, but a quick Google search just throws you into this ocean of opinion pieces and, well, some pretty questionable blogs. Where do you even start?
Well, this is where CQ Researcher swoops in to save the day. Honestly, think of it as your secret weapon for research. It's a database just jam-packed with these super in-depth reports on all kinds of current events. And the best part? They're all written by experienced journalists and then professionally fact-checked, so you know it's a source you can actually trust.
But, a great tool isn't much use if you can't find it. So first things first, let's do a quick walkthrough of exactly how to get to it from your library's website.
All right, let's get you in. Start right on the Begley Library's homepage. All you're going to do is hover your mouse over Research up in the main menu, and then in that dropdown, click on Find Articles. Easy enough. So on this next page, they're looking for the link that says Library Databases. It's right there under the main heading. Go ahead and give that a click. Okay, this page can look a little overwhelming. It's an A to Z list of every single database the library has. But don't worry, there's a shortcut. Since we're looking for CQ Researcher, all we have to do is click on the letter C and it'll jump us right down the page. And would you look at that? There it is. Just scroll down a little bit in that C section, find the link for CQ Researcher, and click it. Boom, you're in. All right, now that we're inside, let's get to the good stuff. We're going to explore one of the features that makes this tool so powerful, especially when you need to build out a really strong two-sided argument for a paper. So, if your assignment asks you to explore opposing viewpoints, an argumentative essay, you need to look for this pro-con button right here. I'm telling you, this thing is going to be your absolute best friend. This feature is just a total game changer. It's built specifically to give you this really clear, structured look at two opposing sides of an issue. It is perfect for building your arguments, prepping for a debate, or honestly, just getting the full picture on something. Once you click that pro/con button, you'll see this nice alphabetical list of topics. You can browse through it or jump to a letter to find something that fits your assignment. For our example here, we're just going to click on railroads to pull up the report. Okay, so once you're inside a report, you're going to notice it is packed with information. The key is knowing how to find what you need quickly so you don't get lost in the weeds. And looky for us, they make it super easy. Every single report is set up the exact same way. It's broken down into these really clear, digestible sections that cover the overview, the background, the main arguments, and a whole lot more. And here is the absolute best way to get around. See this little On This Page menu over on the right? That's basically your personal navigation panel. If you need the main arguments, just click pro/con. If you need the history, click background. It lets you jump straight to the exact piece of information you're looking for. No endless scrolling. All right, let's talk about how CQ Researcher helps you work smarter, not harder. Because beyond just the amazing content, it has some fantastic built-in tools that make the whole research process way more efficient. Right at the top of every single report, you're going to find this super handy toolkit. It lets you grab a permanent link to the article, instantly create a citation, and download a PDF to use offline. Let's break each of those down real quick. First up, Get Link. You know that frustrating thing where you copy a URL from a database and then when you try to use it later, it's a dead link? Well, this button solves that. It creates a stable, permanent link. We call it a permalink, so you can always get back to this exact article. Just copy it and save it somewhere safe. Next up, and this is the one everybody loves, the Cite tool. This thing is a massive time saver. You just click it, pick the citation style you need, like MLA or APA, and it just generates the citation for you. Then you hit Copy to Clipboard, and you can paste it right into your works cited page. It's amazing. Now, here's a really important piece of advice. Even though this tool is a huge help, you should always, and I mean always, double-check the citation it gives you against your style guide. Computers can make little formatting errors, and at the end of the day, you're the one responsible for making sure it's 100% correct. And finally, we have the Download PDF button. This is just perfect for when you want to save the entire report to your computer. You can read it later without being online, you can highlight it, make notes all over it, it's yours to work with.
So, there you have it. You now know how to get into and use one of the absolute best research databases out there. With this incredible resource right at your fingertips, the only real question left is, what fascinating topic are you going to master first?